So today we're going to talk about the Hog Track Kit from Wild Hog Products. The Hog Track Kits come in a 6-foot length and an 8-foot length. Either kits can be cut down to size to accommodate your project. Not only can you make fencing railing, but you can make gates, stair railing, any garden project that you can imagine, as well as many other DIY projects. So now I'm going to show you step by step how to build a 6-foot fencing panel. So let's unbox it and see what we have. All right, so now that I have the Hog Track Kit open, we have our 34.5-inch tracks, our 6-foot track, instructions, star bit with screws, and then our hog tusks. And one of the many reasons I enjoy using this kit is because everything comes in the box. They really do it all, so you're not going around looking for parts necessary to build your panels and install them correctly. Today I'm using the 6-gauge panel for this application, but the Hog Track Kit also accommodates both USS panels, the Smoky Mountain panel, Black Tahoe, and raw Tahoe panels. So now I'm going to install the bottom rail, which is a 2x4. We want to make sure that is good and level, and then we're going to be installing our hog track on top of that. Once I have my center line drawn on my 2x4, I always like to use clamps just to assure everything stays in place. We're going to center our hog track on the 2x4 and install the screws that are given to us within the packaging. Screw holes are pre-drilled and countersunk, so all screw heads will sit flush. Now I'll be installing the vertical tracks on my 4x4 posts. Be sure to measure center of posts again prior to installation and use clamps if needed. Now we'll be sliding the panel into our track system. Be sure to add 3/4 of an inch to accommodate for top track rail. Now that we have everything cut down to size, we'll spray with our metal sealant, install our hog tusks over all exposed ends in order to make the product snug within the track and prevent any rubbing from metal to metal. We are going to set our track on top of the panel and do a dry fit with our top rail. Be sure the track is centered on your rail and mark prior to installation. All right guys, as you can see, Wild Hog is giving you everything you need to put together this hog kit. Be sure to go to their YouTube channel or check out wildhogproducts.com.